Welcome to the sixth installment of ALEX Tech Tips. In this session, you'll learn how to use the updated Lesson Plan Companion, a flexible, teacher-focused tool powered by a large language model to get targeted suggestions for different stages of lesson planning based on your inputs, like standards, key concepts, and differentiation strategies. First, type alabamalearningexchange.org into your address bar. Then, click the purple Let's Get Started button to enter the ALEX LOR. To access the Lesson Plan Companion, or LPC, you'll need to sign in to the ALEX website. Click the blue Sign In button in the top right corner and sign in to your ALEX account. If you need guidance to create your ALEX account, please view the ALEX LOR Handbook, which is linked in the description of this video. From the tab menu, click the My Content Collections tab, which is represented by a stack of folders. On the My Content Collections tab, click on the gray My Content Sandbox tile. Under My Content Sandbox, you'll see three different categories: lessons, Sparkle student activities, and other resources. To create a new lesson using the LPC, click Lessons, then click Add Content. To start a brand new lesson using the ALEX LPC, click Create New, then Create a New Lesson Plan. You will now be able to create a new lesson using the ALEX Lesson Plan Companion. The LPC is a teacher-driven tool powered by AI to support your planning process. It offers smart suggestions based on what you input, like standards, key concepts, misconceptions, and ideas for differentiation. Use the prompts that matter most to you. No need to complete every section. After reviewing the information about the LPC, please click the purple Got It button to begin. Type a title for your lesson plan, then click the orange Add button to align an Alabama content standard with your lesson. Use the Alabama Standards tool to navigate between subject areas and grade level standards. To associate a standard with your lesson plan, click on the checkbox next to the standard. After clicking the checkbox, click the red X to return to the LPC. Click the arrows to view the unpacked content related to the standard. The unpacked content includes teacher vocabulary, student knowledge, skills, and understanding. Next, select the instructional model you would like to follow in your lesson plan: gradual release or 5E. The gradual release model includes 3 sequential phases, which shifts the responsibility for learning from teacher-led modeling to guided practice and then to independent student application. The 5E model is an inquiry-based instructional framework that includes 5 phases: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate, which support students in building conceptual understanding through active investigation and reflection. You might select the gradual release model when the goal is to build procedural fluency or explicitly teach skills, while you might choose the 5E model when the focus is on developing deep conceptual understanding through exploration and inquiry. The 5E model is most frequently used in science and other STEM-related areas. Navigate through each lesson component in the LPC by clicking on the component on the left side of the screen. For each component of the LPC, you can choose to type your own content, or you can utilize the built-in large language model by clicking on the Suggestions button indicated by a robot icon. If you choose to use the LLM suggestions, please note that lesson suggestions are generated by an AI system based on the standards and details you've provided in your lesson plan. While many teachers find them helpful, the quality may vary, so it's important that you make the final decisions about what to teach. After reading the reminder, click the Got It button to begin using the LPC. When using the LLM suggestion mode, you can customize the recommendations you receive by adjusting the advanced settings. For example, when generating objectives, you can choose to receive suggestions written with specific sentence starters, such as students will or I can. You can also request objectives framed as essential questions or written using action verbs aligned with Bloom's taxonomy. Once you review the advanced settings, click Make Suggestions to see the generated recommendations. Review each of the suggestions. If you would like to add a suggestion to your lesson plan, click the green check mark. If you would like to clear the suggestion from the list, click the red X. You can generate more suggestions by clicking the More Suggestions button. You can continue to follow these steps to complete each component of the LPC. Please note that the suggestions are generated based on the standards you selected, as well as the other information you've entered into the LPC template. As a reminder, you do not have to complete every section of the LPC. You can decide which components are essential for you to prepare to teach your students. To save your lesson plan to your ALEX content collection, click the purple Save and Close Editor button. Your lesson plan will now be accessible in your ALEX content sandbox. You can edit, print, or share your lesson plan with other educators using a link or subscription code. Please note that your lesson plan will only be made publicly available if it is reviewed and approved by the ALEX team. For details about ALEX resource development training, please contact the ALEX team. For more information about how to use the ALEX Learning Object Repository for planning and teaching in your classroom, please view our complete Tech Tips playlist on YouTube. That wraps up our introduction on using the Lesson Plan Companion on the ALEX LOR. If you have any questions or need assistance using the ALEX website, please reach out to the ALEX team and we'd be glad to help.